Ho ho ho! Welcome to How to Play D&D, the explainer podcast with one experienced enter costume here, or the Grinch, and one failed sat to discuss D&D topics. My name is Kinsey down your chimney, and my ridiculously inadequate pop partner is Lewis 12-inch candy cane McCaffery. I just realised I said mine backwards, doesn't matter. This week's episode, or this is, I should say, the second episode to the Christmas 2024 special. So part 2. Bit of a mouthful there. I reckon we just give them the second part to this session.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah, why not? It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Let's get to it. Okay, so today's special episode is, of course, Christmas-themed Part Dos. We love Christmas here at How to Play D&D because it's the only time you can be assured you'll have enough people in the room to play in your session, but quickly realise they also don't like you.
That's so relatable.
Oh, God. Lewis, after realising that Santa has 9 reindeer and some of them have German names, I began to wonder where Santa was between 1939 and 1945. Should we be concerned he has Nazi ties? Is Blitzen, in fact, a Messerschmitt Bf 109E bomber hiding in plain sight? And isn't it funny, the next war was called the Cold War, when that's also Santa's favourite climate? What am I doing?
I think you've just broken open a conspiracy here. You know what? You're dressed as Santa, so why don't you tell us? Were you involved in Nazi Germany?
I wish I had thought about that and spoke and written something in German to just
That'd be
ready.
Horrible.
I'm sorry. It's Christmas. It's got to have the Nazis in it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Since
Well,
when?
for the 164 movies Wikipedia recommended.
I mean, I must have missed
7
that
of them had Nazis.
in all my Christmases as a kid. I must have missed the part where Hitler walked up.
What's worse than the spirit of the Reich? The spirit of Christmas. Okay, so last episode we wrote up a stat block for Santa, and at the very end of the session we also gave an excuse to fight the little bastard.
Yeah.
On this episode we are going to set the scene.
Ooh.
Lewis, where do the party get their quest and who is giving it to them?
Ooh, I think this depends on whether, let's say, you're a good party trying to save Christmas, or whether you're an evil party that's trying to kill Santa. Let's say if you're a good party, makes sense that it's in, let's say, a frost-covered village that's a bit depressing, and they've got the Christmas decorations up, all that stuff, but they're not in the Christmas spirit and they need the help. Okay. And that could be any concerned citizen or as a child NPC in the village, which makes it a bit sweet.
Yeah, nice. Okay.
But,
yeah.
But if you're an evil group, I'd say it makes sense in more of a warmer climate, a normal climate, and it's someone that hates Christmas and wants to get rid of it altogether, and they're the ones that give it you.
Are they given any magical items to help them to defeat Fuhrer Christmas?
I think magical carrots to distract the reindeer with.
Okay, yeah.
They need some kind of magic disguise as elves.
Okay, yeah.
So that they can sneak in Santa's workshop, that kind of thing. And maybe you know what, an actual Santa hat that they, let's say if it's a corrupted or possessed Santa, they have his actual hat that they need to
bring him back.
Yeah, they need to knock him unconscious to take his cursed hat off, and they have to replace it.
Yeah, there we go. I just realised, good Santa, bad Santa.
Oh.
Well, for a bit, then you turn good. Yeah.
I know, how dare you call me bad Santa?
Okay, does he have any henchmen?
Who's Santa?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he has a butt ton of elves, doesn't he? And these elves have been roided up
Dark
for the past...
elves.
Pardon?
Dark elves.
Yeah, exactly. Why not?
Roided elves.
Roided up elves that come out, you expect them to be little 2-foot little gremlins, and they come out like the turkeys from Rick and Morty, just buff as anything.
Alright, okay, where is Santa's lair?
Oh, the North Pole, it's got to be.
The North Pole, is it a grotto?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. What does it look like?
It looks like it was once magical, but it's actually dishevelled, it's battered, it's kind of like it's been ripped apart, broken toys everywhere, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Almost like a haunted house kind of situation.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Or if it's an evil Santa, it starts off, let's say, just above ground, it's a little workshop, and then you find a secret like lift or something that takes you down to an evil lair.
I'm liking that. Are there any traps?
Oh, loads of traps. And they've all got to be Christmas themed, obviously. So they can be anything, like we said in the previous episode, let's say it could be to do with toys. So instead of a pit trap, there could be a giant jack-in-the-box in the floor that pushes you up against the ceiling.
Like it.
There could be like a dart trap, but instead it's poisoned snowballs that fire out at you.
I like it, with a bloodshed.
Oh, yeah.
Plenty of blood.
Plenty of bloodshed.
This is an 18
Exactly.
session.
Santa's clothes get red somehow.
Would there be a side quest or two for the dragging of the Christmas special out past a one-shot?
For the what?
For the Christmas special that someone's running with our Santa. Would there be any side quests?
I feel like it'd be good to have some. Let's say if you're in the village getting the quest first and you're trying to save Christmas, there might be some parents or some kids that haven't had their presents delivered and they're depressed.
Who got this teenage elf pregnant?
What?
That kind of session.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah, alright.
But you have to go, when you're at the workshop, you have to look out for certain presents, and then you have to, at the end of the session, help Santa to finish the job.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Are there rewards for completing the slaying of Santa?
Oh, there has to be. You can either ransack his property, take his outfit, get his magic, take his reindeers.
Swat him.
Exactly.
Criminal evidence, and then he can run for president next year.
Exactly. Or you can make up any kind of holiday themed items. I know in the past I've made up ones called like the Winter Sleigh, which is a greatsword or a longsword that if you get a natural 20, a spectral sleigh will appear and basically do an extra 1d10 thunder damage or force damage. You've got simple ones like mugs of hot chocolates, which are like healing potions, or a portable snow globe, which when you shake it, I can't remember the name of the spell, but it's basically like a little pocket dimension.
Okay, cool.
To the player. Could be all sorts.
Yeah, you could have like a bag of holding, but it's bigger than a bag of holding.
I like it.
You know, sack does more than a regular item.
I mean, it makes sense. Santa does have a big sack.
Right. Well, we're smashing through this one. This is the last question.
Oh.
What are we calling the one shot?
Ooh, I think that depends. Right. Let's talk about saving Christmas first.
Okay.
I don't know. It could be anything.
You're fucking terrifying to look at.
I know. That's why I'm like. That's why I'm having to turn my head 90 degrees to actually see it now, because I've got two tiny eye holes.
Well, yeah. If it's a good adventurous against Santa.
I don't think you want to be cliche and just saving Christmas or something like that. Undelivered presents.
There we go.
Yeah.
Operation Santa delivered.
Operation Beat Santa's ass. And if Santa's turned evil and you're having to... let's say you're an evil party and you want to destroy Christmas.
Yes.
Santa's last hoe.
Fucking hell. Well, today's adventure is sadly coming to a close. We're back again next week with the topic Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donna, Blitzen and Rudolph. Snug, marry or avoid.
Rudolph you got to avoid because his nose will get in the way.
Okay.
I can't remember the rest.
Alright, yeah, fine. And as always, thank you for tuning in. And if you'd like to join in on the D&D action, then please follow us on Instagram and TikTok at How to Play D&D. Or check out the link in our bio to join our Discord server. And for the BTS of sessions, bloopers, blogs, early access to episodes, and even live Q&As, check out our Patreon at patreon.com, How to Play D&D. I've been Connor Kinsey.
I've been Lewis McCaffery.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.